Good morning. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We have another fun joke brought to us by one of you. It says, the best medicine. A young pirate, proud of the scars on his arms and back, seldom wore a shirt. After a particularly hot and brutal summer, the pirate noticed several moles on his back that were certainly not there before. He remembered the dire warning of his mother, who cautioned that without a shirt, he was certain to get skin cancer. So he hurried to a doctor the next time his ship was in port, and the doctor carefully inspected his moles and told the pirate not to worry. They're benign, he said. Unconvinced, the pirate said, look again, ye hornswoggler, I'm sure there be at least 10. So in science, in medical terms, benign means they're not cancerous, but the pirate thought the doctor was saying there be 9 scars, not the scars are benign, or the moles are benign. Anyway, moving on. So, application problem for Module 7, Lesson 12. We've got Angela measuring the side of a square to be 6 inches. So if we know that one side of the square is 6 inches, we know that every side length of the square is 6 inches. And if we want to find the perimeter of any shape, we're just measuring the outside boundary. So we add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, and when you do the math, you get 24 inches. Now remember, we're calling it 24 inches, not square inches, because square inches measures the inside of a shape, not the outside boundary. So the inside, or the area of a shape, is measured in square units. The outside boundary is not squares, it's just the actual unit. In this case, it's inches. Now, what if you had a shape that wasn't a square or a rectangle, but had many different side lengths? Could you still find the perimeter? And the answer is yes. You simply just add up all of the side lengths. And here we do 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 inches. And when you solve it out, it equals 24 inches as well. The biggest problem I see when people are doing this is they miss a side. They'll add 1, 2, 3, miss a side, 4, 5. They won't add all of the side lengths together. So you have to be very careful to make sure you get every side length in and you add them together to get the outside boundary. Now, with a shape like this, you could use your ruler to measure each side length, or you could wrap a string around the entire shape and then measure the length of the string when you pull it tight. All right, so that does it for our concept development and application problem. I'll see you for the debrief.